farem un tema de la Etta James que es diu A Sunday Kind of Love.
Guapa!
Merci. I want a Sunday kind of love, love to last past Saturday night. I'd like to know it's more than love at first sight. I want a Sunday kind of love. I want a love that's honest way. Can't seem to find somebody, someone to care. Now I'm on a lonely road that leads to nowhere. And I need a Sunday kind of love. I do my Sunday dreaming, oh yeah, and all my Sunday scheming, every minute, every hour, every day. Ooh, hoping to discover certain kind of lover. Ooh, it's show me the way in my heart. Need someone to inform, to give me warm when Mondays and Tuesdays grow cold. Love of my life to have and to hold. I want a Sunday kind of love. Someone to fold, to give me warm when Mondays, Tuesdays grow cold. Love of my life to have and to hold. I want a Sunday kind of love. I don't want a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, nothing, Sunday. I want a Sunday, Sunday. I want a Sunday kind of love. Moltes gràcies. Pollo Molla, Oriol Fontanals, Reginald Vilardell. Agrair a la Societat de Blues de Rubí, al Carles, a l'Anna, a tothom. Moltes gràcies. Bona nit.